Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about why Dogecoin can easily hit new all-time highs. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. During Dogecoin's bearish period, just before its latest higher surge, a panel of cryptocurrency experts predicted that Dogecoin could be worth 42 cents by the end of 2021. This is an increase of about 60% from its current level. Forrest, whose last name is Polish and I can't pronounce so I won't even try, is a senior cryptocurrency investment analyst at crypto researcher Token Metrics, and he said, "I would expect Dogecoin to grow in tandem with the rest of the rapidly growing cryptocurrency in the market, though it will likely have long periods of flat price action followed by violent speculative pumps like we've seen in the past." A panel of cryptocurrency experts surveyed by price comparison website Finder polled 42 cryptocurrency experts on what they expect to see happen to the Dogecoin price in coming years, with 80% of them branding Dogecoin a bubble in the next few years. The panel average, which puts Dogecoin's price at 42 cents at the end of 2021, sees Dogecoin hitting $1.21 by 2025 and $3.60 by 2030, though the experts are starkly divided, with some confident the meme-based cryptocurrency will soon crash to zero, and others forecasting a huge rally to $10 per Dogecoin. Many investors believe Dogecoin is largely dependent on Elon Musk's influence. Some other experts believe that the near-term dynamics of Dogecoin will depend on whether Bitcoin manages to get back towards the resistance level at $50,000. Also opining that in case Bitcoin continues to trade under the nearest resistance level at $48,000, Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies may find themselves under more pressure, thereby reducing the certainty of growth. Generally, market news may also impact trading in Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies today. Recently, market news has had a lot to report on Dogecoin, which increases its popularity among mere readers and could eventually push them to invest. Marketers will pay attention to any signals about the upcoming reduction of the Dogecoin asset purchase program. The downward fall in the value of Dogecoin is enough reason to send young investors away from investing more into the coin. This is untrue for some other investors who dare to see the fallout of valuation as inevitable, then rather investing more when the price is low with full assurance from predictions that the coin will be profitable in some years. If Dogecoin manages to settle above its resistance at 27.7 cents, it will head towards the next resistance level at 28.4. On the support side, Dogecoin needs to settle below the 50 EMA to continue its pullback. If Dogecoin declines below this level, it will head towards the support at 25.6 cents. A successful test of this level will open the way to the test of the support at 25.2 cents. Dogecoin is destined for upward valuation. This can be expressly backed up from predictions of most known crypto experts. The coin invariably lacks a spontaneous shift at the moment, but all signals surrounding it support it to be 50 times its present value in about 5 years. It's one of the most traded cryptocurrencies around the world. It's arguably finding its way into the cores of irreplaceable coins. This is adversely fueling its popularity among traders and investors. The actual line of action is its continually increasing prices. It ensures traders have enough profit opportunities whenever they trade Dogecoin. Considering its growing number of users and value, overall popularity among other coins, and worldwide adoption, Dogecoin will likely surpass the $1 target by the end of 2021. If this prediction goes wrong by year's end, then it will rise beyond $1.20 before mid-2022. This prediction makes it relatively important to be optimistic about its development in the coming months and years when investing in it. Such predictions are only plausible in an ideal trading environment, provided nothing goes wrong with other coins and the value of the dollar remains the same. With cryptocurrency suffering from regulatory news all the time, you should expect impediments in the growth projection. The growth of Dogecoin is certain from all indications, but the delay might not be avoidable in some instances. Dogecoin started showing bullish signs earlier this year. As at the time of the initial increase, the value growth was slow. Notably, the first 3 months were pretty slow compared to the rest of the crypto market, which was surging at an alarming rate. In April, the surge caught up with the Doge as well, as it increased nearly 10 times in value, jumping from 5 cents to 45 cents. The reversal came that month as well, forming a massive bearish signal after the bullish trend, and eventually the decline followed in the next 2 months. These 2 months were a resentment to the initial thoughts people had about Dogecoin at the time, although it was a good season for other investors to invest in the coin in its bearish era. The price pierced the 20 simple moving average in July. August looked bullish already, so it seems like Dogecoin is resuming the bullish trend again. It has bounced back from its slump, and it's estimated to move up further before the year ends. This predicted bullish increase is predicted to continue as the year runs out. While Dogecoin's price suffered from consistent selling pressures since early June, the steep fall was ignited when Doge failed to sustain trading above the 100-day simple moving average, which has acted as support since November. At the moment, Dogecoin's value appears to be in its recovery stage, noting its 4th consecutive green candle on the chart. It's most influenced by its positive sentiment as Doge developers introduced a new upgrade for the network. Dogecoin has managed to increase above the bearishness resistance trendline that has trapped the meme coin for almost a month. Dogecoin investors like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin noted that Dogecoin's price has also rallied above the 100-day SMA. Only a daily close above this level would confirm further fuel to the upside. The momentum reversal indicator also printed a buy signal. The buy signals added credence to the bullish project. If Dogecoin's value fails to close above the 100-day SMA and retreats from the prevailing uptrend, Dogecoin is likely to retest the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level before falling towards the start of the demand barrier. Arguably, Dogecoin's recent surge is a result of its media backing from notable figures in society. Dogecoin will most likely not surpass the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum in the present century, but no other coin has had a more estimated number of growth from predictions than Dogecoin. 80% of indications from predictions back it up to be a successful and gainful coin to its investors in less than a decade. Reaching the aforementioned critical support levels, Dogecoin's price would likely be trapped trading below the decreasing resistance level, holding on until a compelling upside release emerges. Dogecoin traders and investors, plus its mere users, will realize at some point that the coin will survive the hostility of the market. The central banks might be able to make it difficult for some centralized cryptocurrencies, but other countries like El Salvador are making Bitcoin legal tender. Some countries like Malta, Peru, Singapore, and Switzerland are increasing cryptocurrency adoption and are very friendly for cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin's price predictions for 2022 might be uncertain, but it is predicted to go beyond $1.50 before 2022 ends. Should the value of Dogecoin fall, which is sort of impossible, and traders realize that, then cryptocurrencies will turn bullish and Dogecoin will increase. This depends on certain variables which include but are not limited to the bottom before the reversal to judge where Dogecoin might be throughout 2022. There are more and more predictions that 2022 will be a good year for crypto investors, especially Dogecoin, at this time when the price is still investable. It is predicted that by 2023 and 2024, the generally bullish sentiment regarding cryptocurrencies will keep pushing Dogecoin prices up. In simple words, more investors are expected to continue buying Doge, which will push prices higher on a daily basis. According to the forecasts, Dogecoin will probably start 2023 at its maximum price ever. Where it will exactly be, no one knows, but this period will be bullish for cryptocurrencies, and Dogecoin will have risen above $1 before then. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson.